Hello guys, gumagawa din ba kayo ng reels katulad ko? Punta tayo dito sa aking Facebook account. Nag-notif sa akin guys si Facebook. My quality posts and daily engagement with your audience have increased your visibility for 7 days. So ang ibig sabihin nito guys, napansin ako na yung Meta. At i-increase niya ang visibility. Maraming makakapanood nito guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-aya sa akin guys, mag-upload lang kayo ng video araw-araw. Yung video na walang copyright guys. Sabi niya guys, keep up the momentum, try some of these tips. Use a variety of post type like reels, stories, live videos and more. Find comments to your post that extend the conversation and respond to those. Gawin nyo lang to guys, at magiging sikat din kayo soon. At dito sa Facebook guys, may mga label. Dito sa Facebook Reels guys, may mga label na dapat nyong lampasan. Punta tayo sa professional dashboard. Ito na yung dashboard guys. May mga level do na dapat nyong ma-achieve guys. Level 1, your journey to success. Start connecting, explore basic tools, finish setting up your profile. Madali lang to guys. Maglalagay ka lang ng mga picture mo guys, profile, at gumamit ka ng mga basic tools. Ang level 2 guys, ready to take your profile to the next level. Dito na guys, gagawa ka na ng reels. Kailangan guys, makaabot ka ng 200 plays sa reels at gumawa ka ng public post. Madali lang to guys, pagsipagan nyo lang, magagawa nyo rin. Tapos ka na to guys, level 2. Level 3 guys, finish this level to start earning. Dito ka na, pag matapos mo ito na level guys, dito ka na makakatanggap ka na ng stars at makakasend ka rin ng stars. At ang requirements guys, grow to 1,000 followers. Kailangan mo ng 1,000 followers, reach 2,000 plays in your reels. Kailangan yung video mo guys umabot ng 2,000 plays sa reels guys, at gumawa ka ng 10 public posts. Madali lang to guys, magsipag ka lang gumawa ng reels na authentic at walang copyright. Tapos na rin ako dito guys. At ngayon guys, kasalukuyan akong nasa level 4. To build on your progress, keep creating content and interacting with your audience. At sa level 4 guys, kailangan mo ng 5,000 followers. At ako guys, na 3,014 lang followers ko. pero konti na lang to guys. At kailangan mo ring mag-reply ng 100 comments sa mga post mo or sa videos or sa reels. Mag-reply ka lang guys, makaabot din ng 100 comments. Get more real plays and post interactions. Reach 10,000 plays on your reels. At kailangan mong makakuha ng 10,000 plays sa inyong reels guys. Sa akin guys 5,050 pa lang guys, pero malapit na yan. Magsipag lang talaga, maabot mo rin ng 10,000 plays and get to 2,500 interactions on your post. Sa akin guys 1,265 pa lang, pero makakabot ka rin yun guys. Magsipag lang talaga and create 100 public posts. 51 pa lang yun ang gawa ko, pero makabot ko rin yung 100 posts. At yun lang guys, sana may natutunan kayo. May level 4 na kailangan yung ma-achieve sa Facebook Reels guys, sa Facebook profile, professional profile. Ito pala yung Facebook profile ko guys, Jorin Jason Pilisteros. Paki-follow na lang po guys para maabot ko yung 5,000 followers. At sana guys subscribe nyo ang YouTube channel ko, subscribe and share. Salamat guys.